Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can use your TCL Smart TV remote. So this is the standard TCL Smart TV remote, and if you want to use this remote, first you need to pair the remote. So to use this remote, it's very simple and very compact remote. As you can see, that does not have too many keys. It's very smart and very effective remote that TCL has made. So first of all, this is the power button. You can turn off your TV and you can turn on your TV by this power button. This is the quick settings if you want to deep dive into some settings and you don't want to go to this setting and then all the way to the advanced settings. And if you click on this is only going to show you the TV settings directly, so it saves a lot of time, and you can then navigate through these navigation keys. If you press the down navigation key, it is going to go down. So this is how you can navigate it. And if you want to go back and close it, then this is the back key in the TCL TV remote. If you click the back key, then it is going to go back to your screen. So then these are navigation keys, like to navigate through your TCL Smart TV, up, down, left, right, very simple. And if you want to open something, then you can just click OK in the middle of the navigation keys to open that. And for example, if I open the Netflix application, so if I have to open this, I can click the middle button, and the Netflix app is going to get opened. So now if I want to go back to my home, then I can click this button. This is the home button. If I click this button, which is right below the power button, then it is going to redirect me towards my TCL Smart TV home. And as you can see, this is the back button, and this is the output button, that what you want to output on your TCL Smart TV. So for example, if I have connected a HDMI cable to my dish TV or to my satellite TV, then I can click on this button to select that particular HDMI cable to navigate towards that. And if I have connected the AV cable, then I can open the AV section. And if I have connected the antenna on the back side of my TCL Smart TV, then I can go up and select the TV to broadcast the analog channels. So this is that button to do that. That is a very important input button. This is standard volume control, up to increase the volume and down to decrease the volume. This is the page up, page down. If you are on the TV, then you can page up and page down to navigate through channels. And this one is the Google Assistant button. So if you want to give the voice commands to your smart TV, you can press this button, and there is a microphone as well on your remote right here. So you can also speak to your remote, so you don't directly have to speak to your TV, because the smart TV is very far away from the remote. So this is how you can do it. So for example, if I click here, hey, open Netflix.
Opening Netflix.
Yeah, and then it is going to open the Netflix for you. So this is pretty much how the remote works. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.